Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to teach how can you draw a face outline using this grid method. That's why I make grid of this reference picture with the grid maker apps. Now I am going to draw this grid exactly on my paper. For making the grid on my paper I need a scale. In this sketch I take 3 centimeter each of the box and I am going to draw this on my paper. For this sketch I need at least 15 centimeter of horizontal line because the grid consists 5 square on horizontal side. But here I draw 18 centimeter of the horizontal line and I am making the one extra boxes in horizontal side and vertical side also. If you want you can make the grid with 2 centimeter each of the boxes. It totally depends on your paper size. So if you want to draw bigger or smaller size of any sketch, you can change the size of the grid according to your paper size or your canvas. Now just follow how I am doing to make this grid. This grid I have already drawn like a reference picture and the size of each boxes is 3 centimeter. Now I am going to indicate the boxes with numbers, the top and side boxes, because these are the extra boxes I have made. Now count the boxes of reference picture. I am going to start the making this outline from the long 3 box, because from the reference picture it started from long 3 box. So let's observe the box and go through all the boxes and make your outline more perfect. It's a very easy method for making your outline more perfect and it's very effective also. So observe the box very carefully and draw step by step from each boxes. So you will get an effective result. Just draw box by box and only measure the gap between the boxes, which actually a start point and where is the ending point. If you can find the starting point and the ending point in a box, then there is no any orange matter for you. Let's focus on the box and observe from the reference picture and go through the boxes. Then you will get definitely a accurate result of your outline.